Where are you? Come out. Where are you? Where are you? Come out. Why are you still here? Why are you still here? I came here last week. You didn't pay my money. I came yesterday. You refused to pay my money. And you promised to pay today, and I have come to collect the money.
The landlord, I tell you, say I go pay. Now give me small time. Small time, I go pay.
I have come to collect the money, and I will take the money today.
I beg, help me. I go pay the money.
I will take the money today.
As you come now, you pray, say make God give me money.
I came yesterday, say COVID-19. I have come today. Promise to pay today.
Oga landlord,
I will take my money today.
Oga landlord,
give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. I said you give me my money. Give me my money. I'm back out of my house.